Hi, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. We are on Module 6, Lesson 2, and this is just a quick review of the Embark video that you watched to go along with this lesson. Our objective is to use math drawings to represent equal groups and to relate to repeated addition. So I have set up here an arrangement of my manipulatives, or my counters. I have them in equal groups, and I know they're equal because each group has the same amount. Now, if I wanted to figure out how many counters I have all together, I could come up with a repeated addition sentence. A repeated addition sentence is when we're adding the same number over and over and over again because they're equal groups. So looking at my first group, I have 4. Looking at my second group, I also have 4. And my third group has 4. If I add these together, 4 plus 4 plus 4, I have 3 groups of 4. I can count up all my counters and I know that I have 12. So my repeated addition sentence is 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. And this matches the math drawing I have come up with my 4 counters in each group. So I have 3 groups of 4. Okay, my second example, I'm going to remove 2 and I'm only going to work with these 10. And I'm going to create equal groups of 2. I know my groups are equal because they each have the same amount. And I'm going to model down below the drawing how many are in each group. I have 2 here, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now, if I wanted to create a repeated addition sentence to match this, it would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, and that would equal my 10 counters all together. I have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 in each group. I have 5 groups of 2, and I have a total of 10 counters. At this time, I'm going to work you through the application problem, which is our word problem to go along with lesson 2. You're welcome to work through this word problem with me through watching the video. You can write it down in your work journal. You can talk about it with someone at home. But here is our lesson 2 application problem. Clear my board. Again, I know it's not super big. I will read it to you and share the information with you. It says, Ethan sorts his socks by color. He has 4 red socks, 4 blue socks, 4 green socks, and 4 black socks. Using our RDW or read, draw, write model for word problems, I'm going to stop before I do any math and I'm going to look for information in this word problem that's really important. One thing that stands out to me is that he has 4 red socks. He also has 4 blue socks, 4 green socks, and 4 black socks. Now, the word problem hasn't actually asked me to do anything yet. It's just given me some important information. Part A says, draw groups to show how Ethan sorts his socks. Okay, I know that he has 4 red socks. That's going to be a group. I'm going to put my 4 red X's or my 4 red socks into a group. Next, I can create a group for his blue socks. Again, I'm going to use X's to represent those socks. And I can create a group of blue socks. He also has a group of green socks. There's 4 green socks. That's a group. And he's got 4 black socks. Okay, so I've drawn my groups to show how Ethan sorted his socks. That was part A. Part B is asking me to write a repeated addition equation to match. My goal is to figure out how many socks Ethan has in all based on the way he's arranged his socks. So looking at my first group, or Ethan's first group of socks, he's got 4 red, plus the 4 blue plus the 4 green plus the 4 black. My repeated addition sentence is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 for a total of 16 socks. Okay, my writing sentence to explain my answer would be Ethan has 16 socks altogether. Okay, we know he had 4 groups of 4. He sorted them by color. Our repeated addition equation was 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. He has 16 socks altogether. Thanks for checking in. I know this was just a quick review and a look at our word problem for lesson 2. I hope everything is going well with your math for today, and check back in tomorrow for another quick recap for lesson 3. Bye.